Sometimes it's impossible to clean your house quickly because you've got all of these distractions popping up. Well, in this video, I am going to be sharing a few tips that I use to help remove distractions when I want to speed clean my home. Now, before I get started on what those distractions are, let's talk about speed cleaning for just a moment. I love to speed clean. What that means to me is I'm getting the cleaning done in under 20 minutes. So there are a few rules that I do follow when it comes to speed cleaning, and that is I only touch common areas. So things like bedrooms and garages and things like that, I don't touch during my speed cleaning session. Those common areas are usually like the kitchen, dining room, living room, entryway, those type of things, maybe the main bathroom. Those type of things where if company were to come over, they would see. So that is what I do for my speed cleaning. Another thing is I have to remember that it is speed cleaning. So I'm spending like 5 minutes on a room at a time max. So I'm just picking up clutter that doesn't belong, and I'm straightening up blankets and pillows and things like that. I'm putting the dishes away. I'm making sure that there's nothing on the counter. It's really just a spot clean. And I try to do this daily. So each day I just go in and I speed clean the entire house. It really helps keep up on the clutter and the cleanliness of the house. So now let's talk about distractions. That is what really hurt me when it came to cleaning, because I would get distracted all the time, and then my 20-minute cleaning session turned into a 2-hour cleaning session when I was just speed cleaning. So seemed like a big waste of time. So let's talk about the distractions. So I only clean when I have a clear mind. So if I am stressed out or I'm just not in it, I don't speed clean, because I do know myself and I do know that I'm going to end up trying to reorganize my kids' sock drawer. If I don't have a clear mind, I say, okay, I'm not going to speed clean right now. I finish one room at a time, so I don't zigzag going from one room to the next. I just spend the time in one room, because if I end up in the kitchen and then I go to the dining room and then back into the kitchen, I'm going to get distracted with other things. I am definitely ADD, and I'll just end up doing other things. I might start mowing the lawn when I'm really trying to clean the kitchen. So I really just need to stay laser focused and only spend my time in one room at a time. I have a cleaning caddy that I use and bring with me. It's filled with everything that I need to clean. So things like soft scrub and toilet bowl cleaner and rags and sponges and all-purpose cleaner. All of that stuff is inside my cleaning caddy in one spot. So I'm not thinking, oh no, I need a sponge and I don't have one. So now I need to go out to the garage and grab the sponge. And then I end up reorganizing the garage. I have my cleaning caddy with me at all times. I have a cleaning route, and I have a blog post that talks about how to create a cleaning route. But basically, I start and end in the same spot each time I speed clean. So it's one room, then the next, then the next. It's a nice loop through the house, so I'm not zigzagging, wasting time. I clean when my kids are not at me. Now, my kids are older now, but this was something that I really did when my kids were younger. So when they were at school, it was a perfect opportunity for me to clean. When they were at napping ages, that's when I did the bulk of my cleaning. I didn't do the vacuuming, but I did put the dishes away. I did pick up their toys, things like that. So I talked about this a little bit before, but I only clean common areas. So just think of, if you were to have company stop by, what areas would those people see? They're probably not going to go into bedrooms and other bathrooms and closets and whatnot. So just stick to common areas. I stick to my cleaning routine or my cleaning schedule. This really does help me stay focused. So I know what needs to be done when, and I have a checklist to help me with that. So I do have a speed cleaning workbook that you can download and print out and use on your own. It's completely free. And what this workbook will help you with is creating a speed cleaning routine for yourself so you can get through cleaning your house in about 20 minutes. I walk you through the entire process in this workbook so you don't have to worry about what to clean when. So do you speed clean your house ever? I would love to know. And I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.